Hi everyone. Today we are doing the unboxing for the AirPods 1. Now it's coming new from the Apple Store. This is the bag, this is the box. That's the original box. Look, they have the Apple sign in the side. Both sides. Now we will open it together. Okay. Designed by Apple in California. That's the original box. Oh, here you go. The AirPods coming. It looks so nice, smooth. It can fit in the palm of your hand. Now we will open it together. Also, it comes with the charging cord. Okay, look, we open it together now. So smooth and nice. That's the original. Look, the two AirPods. Looks really nice. This is the charging place. Can charge them like overnight or okay, we connect the charging cord. And this is how it works. That's the little book that comes with it with all the instructions. All of them have the Apple sign. Now let's connect it with the phone. See, only you open it and it will connect immediately with the phone and show you the percentage of the charge. It's easy to use, smooth and nice. It's a very nice purchase. Thank you. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Also comment more video ideas. Thank you.